While the soils developed in glacial tills in the north and eastern parts of the county tend to be brown in color, further to the east and south the soils tend to have a more strongly red color. Red soil colors are the result of the particular mineral form of iron oxide as inherited from red shale that was ground up by the glaciers and incorporated into the soils. These soils have characteristics that are identical in most ways to browner glacial tills. There are a wide variety of particle sizes, with mostly angular rock fragments, and there are usually plenty of them, including large stones or boulders. Relatively dense hard-pan subsoils are common, with the strict downward movement of water and wastewater, creating perched water tables during the wet seasons. Even larger earthworms will avoid burrowing into the dense subsoils. This particular soil has another common feature of hard pans. They commonly have thin vertical cracks spaced a few feet apart, which extend downward a few feet. The cracks are usually visible as gray streaks in the soil, about ½ an inch wide. Because the matrix of hard pan layers is so dense and impermeable, much of the limited water and air movement that occurs through the hard pan layer takes place through these cracks. Plant roots sometimes grow into these cracks, searching deeply for moisture in the dry season. However, most of the matrix of the hard pan remains dense and only slowly permeable. The redder tills have some unique characteristics that are good to be aware of. Red colors tend to interfere with model formation and visibility, making it slightly more difficult to determine the presence of a prolonged seasonal water table than in the browner tills. So you need to look carefully for modeling in red soils and determine whether it is consistent with other soil characteristics, such as landscape position and the rooting depth and type of plants on the site. Another characteristic of red tills is that dark-colored manganese oxide stains seem to be more common or evident in red soils. These black stains often accumulate in a zone of fluctuating water table, in the same way that the more common gray or orange mottle patterns occur in brown-colored till soils.